Rapid Repair Vitamin Mask is absolutely a glorious mask. So you can use it in one of two ways. You're either going to apply it to your skin and sleep with it overnight, or you're going to apply it on your skin, nice medium to thick layer, and leave it for 15-20 minutes and remove it. So very simple. You put a little blob on your fingers, rub it in gently, and apply it to your skin. Okay, you don't need fancy mask brushes really. Use your fingers, as long as your hands are nice and clean, round your eyes. You can go pretty close to the eyes. It's not a problem at all, even though we do have a specific mask for eyes and lips. So you'll go round and take it down into the neck all the time. Please, all your products, make sure that you're taking them down into your neck. Ladies and gents and kids, everybody, and round the eyes. And that's it. That's your mask application. So if you're leaving this overnight, I suggest you apply it in this way and let it absorb. After 5 or 10 minutes, you're going to see there's absolutely no residue left on your skin. It's all absorbed in. And if you're going to remove it because you want to put a finishing product or makeup or something like that, then you simply take your, microfiber cloth and very easily remove any residue of mask that is left. Super simple. You don't need to worry to make sure that everything is off, because actually this mask is great if you've got a little bit left on the skin. So when you're finished removing with a microfiber cloth, just take your hands and gently rub it over your skin and it's all absorbed. How's that for a beautiful vitamin mask? All done.